What's up guys, welcome back to Artie's Garage and another video about how to detail your car or truck properly. We are back with my buddy Eric at Auto House Polishing and we're going to be detailing what?
We're going to be detailing stuff.
Detailing stuff.
Detailing stuff.
So this is another detail video about how to detail stuff. But Eric, go ahead.
Got a 2018 Raptor, went a 4-stage wash. We're not going to get into that because in the last video, if you subscribe to his channel,
if you missed that video, the E92 that they fully detailed 4-stage wash, the link is in the description below. But back to your pillar.
B pillars. Modern cars, import, domestic, anything out there has B pillars. This is an A pillar, this is a B pillar, this is a C pillar for all those uneducated. B pillars. These are usually painted modern cars and they have problems. What happens is they get scratched up, swirl marks. They're very sensitive. It's soft paint. So these things take the most abuse. If you're an enthusiast, if you're a detailer, if you notice these things, they are always trashed. If you put a light on it, you will see it. It's swirled up, it's heavy, oxidated, it's messed up. So we always like to educate our customers when they come in for those detail jobs, like, hey, let's look at your B pillars. This is about a couple hour job, maybe at most, depending on how severe the job is, but we can knock this out for you. It's basically a paint correction. It's not a polish. So working different paths, different speeds, different orbital speeds, we can get almost all the imperfections of the swirl marks out of these B pillars.
So we're gonna what? Start up the process?
We're gonna tape this up. We're gonna show you how to prep it, how we prep it, how we tape it all up. Make sure these rubber trims don't get the compound on there, because once they get on there, it's a pain in the butt to get them out. So we'll tape them up. We'll get this nice and protected. We'll begin.
So let's get the process going, guys. Stay tuned. Grab yourself some tea, coffee, get on the couch because this is gonna be a long video, right?
We'll try not to.
Subscribe for now. So go ahead, smash that subscribe button, and let's get this truck into the garage and start working on it.
You too. So now we've got the prep work done on this pillar. Got the old rubber seals and all that stuff sealed up. We're gonna go ahead and proceed with our it's called a mini paint correction, if you want to call it that. So we're gonna have our different pads out here. We got our starting pad, secondary pad. We got a few more tricks. We'll get to that, but we're gonna use these special tools, the special pads with different speed settings. There's really nothing set in a rule book as far as what you do and at what speed. This is more experience that plays into factor. You're gonna have to feel these things out. You don't want to go too hard on certain parts, because if you feel the heat friction, you could actually burn through this and leave a marring start for permanent. You can't get that out. Again, these are very soft painted material. This is plastic essentially that's painted. So when you get to the correction on these things, make sure you work with a person that's qualified and experienced to handle it. So we did our first round of a compound on this pillar. Haven't done this side. We want to do it before and after real quick to give you guys an idea, but this compound is still sitting on there. We're gonna take a microfiber towel, rub this down, see how much improvement we've seen. We will see some improvement, and then we'll determine to see what's the next step. These are one of those things where you want to look at it every step and then make your decisions after. So we're gonna go ahead and wipe this down, see how much improvement there is, how much more room we have to work with, and we'll go from there. YouTube, we just got polishing done on this compound. This thing is dialed in, it's perfection. If you guys can see, hopefully you guys, there's a before and after shot. We are going to seal this now because it's finally ready to go. We don't want this thing to come back messed up like it was. We'll apply that sealant and this thing is done. Alright guys, sealant is ready. Applicator pad. It's gonna go on this pillar right now. I'm gonna dry it up, have it ready to go. So I'm gonna spread this thing around a little bit, get it nice and lubricated. so we're not getting any dry spots on this pad. Very simple. So we put this on, give it a few minutes, it will dry, wipe it off,
and bang, we got a finished product.
and your sealer is active. Now this will take 24 to 48 hours to cure, so don't think you're gonna go out there and have full protection. You do want to keep this away from moisture. You want to keep this away from any kind of hard elements, bird sap, and all this other good stuff that can hit your car. So all this hard work, make sure that it does not go to waste. So give it a few passes.
Wipe it, and we're done.
We're gonna wait for this to dry, give it a few minutes, and then we're gonna take a brand new clear, clean microfiber terry cloth towel and get this thing cleaned up. All right guys, so this is done. This is cured, it's dried. You know it's dry when you kind of see at this point, you know, you're leaving those fingerprints on there. So you go ahead and you take your towel one pass down, flip it over, and then you just start going away. You don't want to give too much force, just enough to get the extra dry lubrication off, because you're still leaving that on there as protection.
Damn, looks like new.
Well, no, this is gonna look better than you. Your factory, if you buy this car brand new, you will still not see it this good, because they just come from the factory completely trashed. Oxidation kills this stuff.
I gotta get my cars in here.
So come on to Auto House, we'll take care of your pillars. If you got a special car and you want to take care of these little details, you know, we know what we're doing, at least we think we do.
Hey guys, thanks again for watching another video. We actually did an amazing job. Well, they did an amazing job on the B pillar of this car. If you missed other video on the detail of the E92, like I said, check that out. Once my BMW E36 M3 is done with the suspension work, we're gonna do something, right, Eric?
We are, yeah.
So we'll do some work on my E36. And this thing looks amazing, right?
That thing is as brand new as it's gonna be.
I hope the camera is getting the perfection of how this turned out, but this is an amazing job.
Well, you can see the reflection.
Yeah, it looks great. None of those lines, so check out those before and after pictures we'll put in the video. Thanks again for watching,
YouTube.
guys, man. Link in bio for the guys for Auto House Polish, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks again, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.